Too scared to rise above it, too cynical to sink, and it wouldn't take a strong wind to knock me in my drink. I was swimming in the ocean, I was flashed upon this town. You kiss me when I'm standing, but you kick me when I'm down. And the conches at the cake house are a coming school of fish. Should I leave it on your voicemail? Did it have to come to this? I was floating on the water, I accept